I appreciate y'all's time today.
Oh, yeah.
I brought a battery too, just in case.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I have one. Yes, sir. Pretty little. And I got some screws, if you know what I'm saying, if you needed the screw. Okay.
It's charged?
Yeah. Yeah, that should be a real good battery. That's crazy. She's not kicking out any smoke. My goodness. All that age.
Right?
She's still healthy. I see. Okay. Man, even responsive.
Right?
My goodness. Would it be cool to put weather around here real slow? Okay. Obviously, it's semi-auto all up. Okay. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! She's virgin. Consider her body. Oh my goodness, mulligan! Oh, she is perfect. No French, that's all right.
You're so stupid.
Oh, man, here is your bread.
Oh my
Y'all,
goodness.
let's
The
go.
bread.
I tell you this how you turn her off. And the button works.
Look at that.
Could you be any happier?
Can I ask for a better three-wheeler?
Man, it's crazy how healthy this thing is for the age. This is
Right?
Like some new dirt bikes I've seen. Yeah, that's all. That's pretty much what we agreed on. That's all I brought with me. Okay. I appreciate y'all, man. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. I love your dog too. I'm thinking about getting a big dog soon.
Oh, yeah.
Myself.
What kind you want?
I'm looking for a pit. Yeah, I'm trying to get a pit bull, man.
Oh, yes.
Well, I ain't got no kids.
Oh, you got a dog?
Oh, shoot.
Okay.
Let's go look at these puppies.
Okay. Oh, that's a beautiful
Aww.
dog. Wow. That dog is gorgeous. Oh my God, and you're so kind.
Watch what you touch me though.
Yes, sir.
Like I say, I grabbed him up on the arm and he looked back at me and grabbed at me, tried to bite me.
Oh, I see. Wow.
Yeah,
I see. Well, man, he's being mighty kind.
Right? He's
now.
being real nice right now.
I say today he's having a good day. Today. Hi.
Aww.
Wow, you are so kind. God bless this dog. All I want to do is just take you home. How much would you want for him? Just out of curiosity. Okay. You around there. Okay. Well, let me sit on it a little bit, man. You know what I'm saying? But I might be interested, just so you know. So
Yeah.
I'll definitely be in contact with you. But y'all stay safe, man.
You too.
We got the YTM225. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, I gotta apologize about my voice. Me and my wife, we were at a car show the other day, and they were doing all types of donuts and drifts, and it had us yelling. So my voice is gone. But anyway, yeah, guys, I've had a few ATC Honda three-wheelers. I've had one YTM Yamaha 200, and that was a blast. We actually learned a lot from that, me and my beautiful queen, who is looking gorgeous.
Thank you, baby.
Absolutely gorgeous. And we got the baby.
Baby.
Look at baby Callie back there playing with her blocks. I love you, baby Callie.
Love you, mamas.
And we got the YTM. Let's go.
Yes, we
So
do.
the YTM225 is supposed to have a lot more power, obviously, than the 200. As you can tell, I have a lot of history riding three-wheelers.
Yeah.
I'm very, very comfortable. It's been a couple of years since I've ridden one, so I'm really surprised that the comfortability is still there. But you know, this was actually marked one of the most dangerous vehicles ever produced.
Yeah.
Literally killing more people than you could imagine. It was so dangerous that they actually banned three-wheelers.
Yeah.
And that's why they no longer sell three-wheelers. That many people got hurt on three-wheelers. So it's pretty crazy to ride one. I can see why. They love to get tippy on the two side wheels. And if you're not used to that, you'll flip over really, really, really easy. But for anyone who's wanting to get one, these three-wheelers are dirt cheap, and as you can tell, they're very, very reliable.
Yeah.
A lot of these, they're built way better than a lot of these new stuff is built, you know, and that's why it's so durable. But definitely stay tuned. When I get back to the crib, I'm gonna take it for a little spin. I feel kind of bad because I need to change the oil, obviously. And what else? I want to go through it thoroughly. You know, I'm big on maintenance, but I'm still gonna ride it for you guys, and it has no brakes at all.
No.
I wish the guy would have told me, but it's all good. All right, guys, expect the unexpected.
Hey.
Peace. We just got home, YouTube. Oh yeah, super, super excited about riding this YTM. You know, the original owner, he obviously told me that it needs an oil change. So usually no one will even tell you that. So for him to tell me, it's pretty clear it's been probably years. So I'm literally just gonna putt around for a few minutes on this, and then I'm gonna strip everything down and thoroughly go through it, change the oil, air filter, the whole 9 yards. I'm even taking the carburetor off. But we're about to go ahead and fire her up. Let's get it.
Do it.
Hi, Callie. No brakes.
Yeah, please be careful. Yeah, baby. No brakes, be careful. Yeah, baby. Got little Callie. Yeah, baby! Oh, I know you're having a blast, Papa. Woohoo!
Literally, babe, I love it.
Oh, I know you do.
The most fun you can have going slow.
Oh, I love it, baby. Woo!
No brakes.
Go ahead, Papa. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo!
$500 well spent.
$500, baby.
Probably the best $500 I've ever spent in my life. Man, I'm out here sweating.
Yeah, it's hot out here today.
It is.
Whew.
This thing would be so much more comfortable if it had actual good grips on it.
Yeah.
You know? And if I was wearing gloves.
Yeah, that too.
'Cause I don't have any grip. You know, but you really got to be careful with this vehicle when you turn it, obviously. With any three-wheeler, they always want to get up on their two wheels.
Yeah, they're real tippy-toppy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you'll realize when I start coming around a turn, I wait till I'm almost all the way through it, and then I really,
And then you whack it. Yeah.
you know, get back on it. But
Smart.
I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. I absolutely have so many big plans for this.
Oh, yes.
Wish I never would have sold my YTM200.
I know.
But you know, things happen for a reason, and there's upgrades.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this episode of Two Wheel Family. We had a blast, you know, riding this one around. I just want to go through it thoroughly, obviously. There's a smell that a lot of people they'll know about if they know about ATVs and dirt bikes that have really old oil in it. And so I can smell that smell, you know, coming from the motor, that really stinky old oil. So she definitely needs a lot of love. But it's pretty crazy that this thing is so old. I believe this is probably from the 80s right here. You know, this is probably like a 1980 something if I had to guess. And it still runs flawless. Doesn't kick out any smoke. And you can still rip it around, you know?
Reliable.
Exactly. And look how reliable this is. Let me show you guys something. It's crazy. The air boot is not even connected to the carburetor.
Oh, that is nuts.
It's not even on the carb. It's like halfway on, halfway off.
Right?
And I mean, this thing is still running like a champ. Obviously, air filter, Lord knows what's in there.
Oh, that's probably
But,
bad.
hey, let's talk about how hard it was to get this inside the house.
Oh, God, they don't even know.
I'll tell you, this is probably like the first and last time
Yes.
I will ever do that again.
That'll never.
But yeah, guys, we really appreciate all the support and love. And for anyone who's not following the channel, definitely follow the channel, man. Me and my wife, all we do is buy sport bikes, ATVs, dirt bikes, all that stuff for dirt cheap. Pennies on the dang dollar.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. But definitely stay tuned, guys. We love you so much. And this whole video is just to pretty much show you that you can have so much fun for cheap.
Exactly.
You know? All right, guys. Stay tuned. Peace.
Y'all.